Our children are growing up in a fast-moving digital world. Phones, social media, gaming, AI are evolving at a pace we've never seen before. And it's only accelerating, making it harder than ever for families and schools to keep up. We believe one-off sessions about online safety aren't enough anymore. To truly prepare our children, we need a consistent, longer-term approach that engages children, parents, and teachers alike. That's why we've created the Mindful Digital Collective. We equip 8 to 11-year-olds with the critical thinking skills and mindset they need to tackle real-world challenges online. We constantly introduce new sessions inspired by what's happening in the real world, keeping conversations timely and meaningful. We actively involve parents, empowering them to confidently guide their children through digital challenges. And we offer dedicated training and resources for teachers, creating lasting impact across the whole school community. We're on a mission to bring our program to every primary school, offering engaging, hands-on sessions each term that help children thrive in the digital world. If you're a teacher or a parent who feels your school would be interested in participating in one of our programs, please get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.